na, lahat pa may hawak na trophy for group picture. Yung pa may ibang hawak ng trophy, sali na po.
Atras, please. Excuse me.
Yung nasa ladies brigade, ladies. Yung mga membro ng Las Viajeras, atong may mga yun.
Hoy, sino kayo dyan, hoy?
Okay na. Meron pa ba? May hawak na to. Together with officials of NASAM, Mr. Norman June ng Repsol, Nat Coseco.
Thumbs up lang.
Okay, thumbs up, everybody. And more power to Repsol, more power to Sonic Boom, more power to NAMSA, more power, and congratulations to everybody! Okay na po? Okay, thank you so much. And to the ladies, maraming